When exactly is ReZero supposed to end? For those of you that don't know, ReZero is slated to be 12 arcs, and currently the web novel and light novel are on arc 9 of 12. Originally, actually, ReZero was supposed to only be 11 arcs, but the author made arc 7 and went on a bit of a tangent with that, and ultimately had to divide it into 2 arcs, that being arc 7 and arc 8. But going back to that original question, when is ReZero going to end? Well, with a little bit of math and estimations based on how Tappei releases the chapters, we can predict when the series will end. At his current pace, Tappei releases one volume about every 3.5 months, and currently we're on volume 41. The direction Arc 9 is going, there can easily be about 2 to 3 more volumes left. This would lead to Arc 9 ending probably somewhere around December 2025 to January or February of 2026. Assuming Tappei doesn't go on any tangents and he continues this pace of 5 to 7 volumes for every future arc of ReZero, we would see Arc 10, the next arc, last until around May or June of 2027. And then the arc after that, Arc 11, be around October 2028 end time. That leaves the last arc, Arc 12, which Tappei has stated within the past the final arc of ReZero will be more than double the length of Arc 3. And for those of you that don't know, Arc 3 is about 6 volumes long. So that would leave Arc 12 to being around 12 to 13 volumes long, which would have it ending sometime within 2032. So using general estimations in Tappei's current release schedule, we can approximate that ReZero is probably going to end sometime within the early 2030s, probably sometime between the years of 2031 and 2034. Barring any delays or any assumptions that, one of the future arcs is going to be extremely short, but I completely doubt that. This would also leave ReZero to be finishing up with about 65 volumes. Which is funny because, fun fact, Tappei originally stated that he only wanted ReZero to be 37 volumes. And also stated that he didn't really want to go past 50 volumes, but he's inevitably written himself into otherwise. So yeah, what do you guys think? Honestly, I hope ReZero never ends. I love the mystery, I love the aspects. It'll definitely be interesting to see all the mystery get revealed within the coming years, as Tappei still has a lot to unfold upon. But yeah, peace. Also yeah, shout out these guys on Reddit for the idea behind the post. But yeah, peace real.